Introduction to quadratic equation. What is a quadratic equation? A quadratic equation in one variable is a polynomial equation of degree 2 that can be written in standard form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. In the equation, ax squared is the quadratic term, bx is the linear term, and c is the constant term. Examples of quadratic equation. First, we have 3x squared equals to 0. Next is 2x squared minus 5x equals 0. And the third is 5x squared plus 3x minus 1 equals 0. The following are examples of non-quadratic equations. First, we have 5x plus 6 equals to 0. That is not a quadratic equation because that is not of degree 2. 5x plus 6 equals 0 is an example of linear equation. Next, x raised to negative 2 plus 5x minus 1 equals 0. That is also a non-quadratic equation because it is not a polynomial and the exponent of the variable is negative. Next example is 5 over 2m squared plus m equals 0. That is also not a quadratic equation because it is not a polynomial. The variable is in the denominator. Another example is the square root of x squared plus 5x plus 3. So that is not a polynomial because the variable is under the radical sign. So therefore, that is also a non-quadratic equation. Next example is 7x squared plus 8x raised to 1/2 plus 6 equals 0. So that is not a quadratic equation because the variable has a fractional exponent. Rewriting equation in standard form. Example number 1. 6x squared equals 3x minus 1. So we are going to write it in standard form ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So we are going to transpose 3x minus 1 to the other side of the equation. It will become 6x squared minus 3x plus 1 equals 0. Then, identify the values of a, b, and c. A is 6, b is negative 3, and c is 1. Example number 2. The quantity of x plus 1 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 2 equals 1. So, as you can see, we are going to multiply a binomial by a binomial. So, let us use the FOIL method. So, x times x is x squared, x times 2 is 2x, 1 times x is x, and 1 times 2 is 2. So, we have x squared plus 2x plus x plus 2 equals 1. So, simplify similar terms. Bring down x squared. 2x plus x is equal to 3x. Bring down positive 2 equals to 1. X squared plus 3x plus 2 minus 1 because we transpose positive 1 to the other side of the equation. Then, simplify. X squared plus 3x plus 2 minus 1 is 1. So, we have now the equation x squared plus 3x plus 1 equals 0. So, the value of a is 1, value of b is 3, and value of c is 1. Example number 3. the quantity of x plus 2 raised to 2 equals 4. So in this equation, the quantity of x plus 2 squared is an example of square of a binomial. So we are going now to simplify x plus 2 raised to 2. It will become x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals 4. X squared plus 4x plus 4, transpose positive 4 to the other side, it will become negative 4. So therefore, we have x squared plus 4x plus 0 equals 0. So, disregarding the 0, we have now x squared plus 4x equals 0. The value of a is 1, the value of b is 4, and the value of c is 0.